Hi cuties, happy Vlogmas. So as you could see, I started off my day with tea and more tea. I have been absolutely loving this tea strainer or teapot, whatever you want to call it. It really allows me to consume loose leaf tea so easily. And I'm not really a huge fan of tea bags because it has been shown that there is some bleach or microplastics in the tea bag, and that the leaves in the tea are really not that high quality, if I'm being honest. So I've been using loose leaf tea for as long as I can remember, and I have it every single day and I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and have a yogurt parfait with some dairy-free coconut yogurt made from coconuts, and I'm gonna have a little bit of citrus to start off my day. It helps with immunity boosting, it's high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and it's delicious. Hello beautiful people, happy Vlogmas! Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eat and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. Today is December 1st, but this video might be going up on December 2nd or December 3rd. I don't know, but what I do know is it's December, so I'm going to be attempting to upload on YouTube every single day. So today's video is going to be talking about what I eat in a day. High raw vegan. All these recipes in today's video are super fire, and I'm super excited to share with Una. We're gonna have fire drink recipes, we're going to have fire food recipes, everything's going to be delicious. I wanted to say really quickly, if you're interested in the juicer that I use in today's video, you can get 30% off, over $200 off the Coovings Auto 10 Plus or any other juicer or blender by Coovings. I'm absolutely in love with this brand, and their Black Friday sale ends really soon, so make sure you hop on top of it. I don't really have much else to say other than the fact that these recipes are going to be really delicious. I'm really excited to do Vlogmas with you all. Let me know what type of video ideas and topics that you're interested in. I'm also thinking about starting to share hair videos on this channel. Please let me know what you think about that, because my hair has been growing a lot second half of the year. I'm also super excited because my newest raw and non-raw cookbook are going to be coming out in January, Veganuary. We're gonna have Jamaican Rastafari Ital recipes, and we're also gonna have another fully raw vegan cookbook. You all asked for it, and I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna do it, alright? I'm so excited for these, so mark your calendars. They're coming up very soon, and I'm very excited. With that being said, let's get back into the video. Yeah. I'm not really sure what else to say other than I'm absolutely in love with this machine. I have been using Coovings products for almost 3 years without a doubt. Honestly, I couldn't even see myself using a different product because love the high quality, incomparable quality of Kuving's juicers. This juicer can make smoothies, it can make nut milks, it can make, of course, cold pressed juices, and it can even make sorbets. It is my best friend in all seasons, making mocktails and cold pressed juices in the colder months and making delicious sorbets and ice cream in the winter months. Tomorrow is the last day of the Black Friday sale, so you want to make sure you go ahead and take advantage of that. The link is in my description box for over $200 off this juicer. I am absolutely amazed at how this sandwich came out. It was incredibly delicious and it felt so awesome that I was able to use mostly clean ingredients to make this sandwich. I would say the only thing that wasn't as clean was the mayo, but of course you can skip the mayo, but it adds a really big depth of flavor. I believe that we as plant-based people should be able to enjoy food and enjoy life without having to sacrifice flavor or sacrifice health, and this sandwich is genuinely a perfect representation of it. We all know that pesto is delicious. It's based off of nuts as well as some fresh basil. We have these pretty clean ingredient vegan cheese slices, although I don't consume those too often, and this burger was really expensive, actually about $2 for 2 burgers, but it's soy free and free from crazy oils like canola oil or anything like that, and it was also incredibly delicious. High protein, 13 grams of protein per patty. And yeah, it was such a nice and refreshing breakfast. I made myself a little salad with some vegan kimchi, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and topped that off with some dill. There's just something about an iced matcha latte that really gets me. I love the routine and ritual of it every rising. I love being able to soak the whisk. I love being able to whisk together the powder with the water. And it also has a lot of health benefits, especially compared to coffee. It makes me feel really amazing. It helps to reduce my anxiety, and I don't get any jitters from the caffeine, unlike coffee. last meal of the day, baby. We are making some delicious stir-fry tofu with some veggies, some raw kale salad, and some gorgeous purple sweet potato. I'm using tofu from the same brand as earlier. It's a soy-free tofu made from fava beans, and it's actually the tofu that I found that has the highest amount of protein, coming in at 64 grams of protein per block. If you would like to make this a little bit more high raw, you can have the only thing that's cooked be the tofu. You can have your onion, your Scotch bonnet, your garlic, and everything else be raw. Incorporate that into the kale salad and just have your tofu cooked. It's totally up to you. I love high raw because it's very versatile. You can even technically have the sweet potato raw if you turn it into a wrap. I do have a recipe for sweet potato wraps in my no cookbook under the entree section, and that is one of my favorite recipes out of the book. So basically what you could do is make a sweet potato wrap, put the kale inside and put the tofu inside. That would be like such a delicious and perfect high raw recipe. So good. You are so funny, bro. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my God. That's it for today, my loves. Vlogmas day 3 going strong. Please make sure to go in the comment section down below and let me know what type of content you would like to see, whether it's more what I eat in a day, whether it's more recipes, whether it's more videos geared towards one recipe. If you want to see more Jamaican recipes, more raw vegan recipes, if you want to see more travel videos, I have to still edit and upload my Panama travel vlog. Just let me know in the comment section down below. I love you all so much. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.